How come these aren't considered a part of the Space Jam A New Legacy pack? And then, why did they even make these in this color? Why did they make these in the original Space Jam colorway? And they have nothing to do with the new movie.
Y'all be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, let's go ahead and get into this one, man. This one comes from Dick's Sporting Goods, and I ordered these shoes when they first released, but Dick's took a little longer to get them shipped out to me, so much so that I thought that my order got canceled because the charge went away on my card. So I said, well, damn, they must have sold out of this shoe, and I'm probably not going to get them. No big deal. But then a few weeks, 2-3 weeks later, then the charge comes back and I get an email that says they're on the way. I'm like, what happened? Why does it take so long for these shoes to get here? So thanks a lot, Dick's. Let's go ahead and get into these, because you all know Big Roth, proud member of the Lebron gang. Alright? Now, you know this box. LeBron James. Alright? LeBron James 18 Nike 2020-2021 Just Do It BBZ 330. Alright? We've seen this box numerous times on this channel. We know what it is already. But these are the LeBron 18 Low. Okay? Colorway white, bright crimson, and black. And I went with a size 14 in these boys. Alright? Now, let's go ahead and get into these, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Glad I was able to get at least one pair of these. Yes, sir. These are the Space Jam A New Legacy Sylvester and Tweety shoes. Alright? As you can see on the tongue, you got that Toon Squad. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. You got that Toon Squad there on the tongue. Alright? And then on the back of the tongue, you see Sylvester's claw coming in, and you see some of the hints of the Tweety there. Alright, you got that Suffer and Succotash right there going across the air unit. Alright, Nike React all up front here. Boom. Nice materials. I kind of think I like the way that the lows fit and look better than the highs in the LeBron 18s. It's rare that the lows for me outshine the highs in the LeBrons, but I think they came better with the lows this time, man. I really do. I just like the way they fit a little bit better on the lows. But look, even the lows even have the better tongue. The tongue on the highs, the LeBron 18 highs, it's kind of trash. It's kind of one of the worst LeBron tongues ever. But the tongue on the lows is perfect. It's perfect. It's the way that it should be. I don't know what they were thinking on the highs. Alright. Got a little bit of design work going around here. I'm not sure what that's supposed to represent, but it's there. Going all around there. But once you get on the insole there, you have Sylvester. Sylvester on the insole there with the team colors of the Toon Squad. Alright, LeBron King's crown there on the front. On the bottom is that orange with the LBJ King crown logo, the LJ King crown logo. Alright, white and orange bottom. Very nice. Clear air unit going around. Very nice. Very nice shoe, man. You got your Nike swoosh here in the back. And of course, the orange one here with the spot there. Alright. Got a little bit of that yellow going around. Very nice, man. I like the way that the colors look on this one. This was one of my favorite colors of the Space Jam LeBrons. Alright, this is one of my favorite ones. So I wasn't able to get the Road Runner and Wile E. Coyote pack, but this was my second choice of the ones that I liked on there. Just because I feel like, you know, it's black and white mostly, so it's a wearable colorway. Alright, but you know what we gotta do now? We gotta get the right boy so we can check out the Tweety half of this. Right shoe second. Alright, now it is pretty much the exact same shoe. Alright, it is pretty much the exact same thing. Everything going around the shoe, if you're just looking at a glance, they're gonna look identical. Alright, same Toon Squad thing, and I actually like that better about this shoe than with the Road Runner and Wile E. Coyote, because those are two different colors. It looks a little awkward trying to match an outfit, but these are primarily black and white, so you know the colorway works a little bit better. But looking at them, they're pretty much exactly the same, but there are a couple differences. I didn't mention on the left that you have LeBron's signature underneath here. It's right underneath there. But the back, pretty much the same. But here's where things start to get a little different. Alright? Boom. I taught a putty tat. That is Tweety Bird's motto, you know. Right there going around that air unit. And then on the back, as you can see, you got Tweety on the back of the tongue, and all this whole tongue, the back of this tongue is all that yellow. The back of the entire tongue is yellow. You can see that through here. You can see that it's yellow going through there. But you got Tweety on the back here. Alright. And then on the inside, pull that shoe tree out, or the paper out of there. And then you got Tweety Bird on the insole there with the Toon Squad colors. Alright, Tweety Bird on the inside. Alright, so those are the differences between the shoes. Left shoe, Sylvester. Right shoe is Tweety Bird. Alright, yeah, these are dope. Now that I'm looking at them like this in hand, these are very dope, man. I'm glad that they didn't switch it up and give us one yellow, one black and white. They gave us just enough on both of these two. You get your hits of Tweety even on the Sylvester. When you get your yellow, so you know Tweety is a part of this. I didn't mention the orange eyelet at the top there. That's a nice touch on both shoes. The shoes are pretty much identical. I like that they didn't switch it up just for the sake of switching it up. They gave us a little bit of each character on each shoe, but for the most part, we're looking at the exact same shoe. And I like that. I like that a lot. But, you know what we gotta do? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, here we are on feet. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Size test. Size test. Size 14 on these. Width-wise, I feel like they're perfect. And then length-wise, my big toe is right there. I do have a little bit of room, but I feel like in the LeBrons, a 14 is best. 14 is best, but I will say that a 14 in the lows fits better than a 14 in the highs. I feel like the 14 in the highs is a little long, but I feel like the 14 in the lows fits perfect. Fits absolutely perfect. I love it. I love the way these look. I love the way that these feel. The tongue feels better. It doesn't feel like it's scraping the side of my foot. These feel really good. Feel really good. And I like the materials used on there. Feels good. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it on these. Definitely glad that I was able to get this colorway. Man, the more I see it, I could rock it with this shirt. This outfit that I'm wearing right now, I could throw these on with the outfit. I sure could. But anyway, I'm glad that I got it in this colorway now. I was initially a little disappointed that I wasn't able to get the Wile E. Coyote and Roadrunner bundle because I kind of wanted that Xbox controller as well. But looking at it, colorway wise, that one didn't make much sense for me personally. It's still a dope shoe, but this is a more rockable colorway. Black and white, you can pretty much wear that with anything, even with the hint of orange here and that yellow. You can pretty much still wear these with anything. So definitely glad that I was able to get these. And man, the LeBron 18 lows are better than the LeBron 18 highs. When's the last time we've been able to say that about a LeBron, that the lows were better than the highs? I don't know. But of the two pair, I have these and LeBron Palmers. I like both of them better than most of the highs. Almost all the highs I have. They're both very dope. I just like the way they feel on feet. I like the look of them. I like the cut of it. They knocked it out the park to me in the lows this year and then the highs. And this is probably the last LeBron that I'm going to get before the 19s. Alright, so definitely glad to have this one, man. Glad to add this one to the collection. But that's going to do it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.